Good evening. This is the stock analysis video, as I had promised I'll be doing every Thursday. The past two videos were looking at stocks for Axis Bank and Reliance Industries, and the stocks are charting the path which was highlighted in the videos. Now today I'll be looking at HDFC Asset Management. Now this is one stock that can be looked at in three different perspectives. The first perspective is of the short-term trader. Second perspective is the long-term investor. And third perspective is an option seller. Why I'm looking at it in all three is, first I'll go in the short term. In the short term perspective, the stock is trading within a box range pattern, but after very long it's managed to get hold the 4-hour chart of the 20-day and the 50-day moving average, which is a positive sign. It is a bearish candle, but at least it has managed to linger on from 15th March above this zone, which has not occurred for quite some time when you look at the past. Now if it were to break the 50-day moving average resistance on the daily chart, then a short-term swing trader can add a bit of the stock basically at that point and then wait for it if it breaks that resistance level at 2255. If it does break that, then pump up the volume to go for 2410. I said this I'm looking at it like this, as on the weekly chart it is forming a good base as you can see, and the quant indicators I utilize have turned from being severely bearish to neutral. So that is a positive sign for the stock. It can either go into a box range or it can finally try to have a breakout. Then now when we look at it, thus we will look at it from a short-term perspective. That move up till this resistance breakout, and you go along till there. Now when you look at it from a short-term perspective, on the downside, if it gets rejected there, it's a short up till the support level at 2035. If it breaks that, then we go to 1870. However, the likelihood of it breaking that is very low. As we see, the stock has stayed within this range basically from January of this year. Now the second perspective is of the long-term trader. Now the long-term trader, the stock is at multi-year support, as basically from 2020 this has been the support for the equity. And then also when we see here, it has come basically roughly above its IPO price, I believe, as I do not know when it IPO'd in the Indian market, but the earliest I can see is for August 2018, and it had IPO'd, I assume, then. So it is a good entry point for a long-term investor, but what they will have to watch, if it breaks 2035, then the maximum they can take a loss till is 1870. If it breaks 1870, it's gone. It's going to go down in a very big way further on. So for a long-term investor, basically to watch 2035 and 1870. Now the third perspective is of the option seller. Why I'm looking at the option seller, that if you have the money to sell options, then from January the stock has stayed within this range. This has been very beneficial for anyone doing option selling, as it has been easy money on the stock. So these are the three perspectives I see. I myself will be looking at it as a short-term trader, and if it does manage to breach above the 50-day moving average, I will take a small long trade up till 2255. If it breaks that, 2410. If it keeps getting rejected, then it can be more than 1-2 days short up to 2035, which is a major support zone. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to the channel so more videos like this can be seen, and also do click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever a new video is released.